Let me show you how to create such chips packet mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Click on Open and select Plastic Bag Image. Image's link is provided in description. From select Subject. To remove unwanted selection, select Rectangular Marquee tool. Follow the process. After selection, press Ctrl+J and make 3 copies of it. Unhide top 2 layers. Select first layer. Double-click and from Layer Style enable Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Now from File select Place Embedded to add Chips Packet Template. From Blend Mode select Multiply. Place it accordingly. Right-click and rasterize layer. Hold Alt key between 2 layers to add clipping mask. Unhide copy layer. From Blend Mode select Linear Burn. Then from Adjustment layer select Levels. Enable Clipping Mask. Follow the levels settings. Using Shift key select both layers and group it. Then unhide copy to layer. From Blend Mode select Linear Dodge Add. Again from Adjustment layer select Levels. Enable Clipping Mask. Follow Levels settings. Select both layers and group it. Then select Background layer. From Adjustment layer select Levels. Select Levels layer and from Adjustment layer add solid color. Select any color as you wish as a background. From Blend Mode select Multiply. Make final adjustments. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to check out my other mockup tutorials.